Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video tutorial how to unlock Nokia 2.2. As usual, we have here one sample. As you can see, it's locked and is requesting for the SIM lock. So in order to unlock this device, I'm going to use Furiousgold OT Smart module from pack 6. So before starting the unlock, I'm going to power off the device. From the models list, I'm going to select our model. Nokia 2.2. And from the operations box, I'm going to select remove SIM lock and press connect. Once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to connect the phone to the USB cable with the volume down key pressed. So we press the volume down and insert the USB cable. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the unlock process starts. It only takes 1 second to unlock it. So now let's deattach the USB cable and power on the device. As you can see, it's not requesting anymore for the unlock code. We have here full signal, Vodafone Romania, so the phone got successfully unlocked. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.